Those of you who've joined our newsletter expressing interest in just our workshops and our master classes that we have coming up, I want to go over a quick review of what's available to you in the next 3 months. First, coming up in March 21st on a Saturday, whether you're in person in Charlottesville, Virginia, or you're online, doesn't matter. You can join us or not. You can take the recording and get the information and learn on demand if you want. But this is a Sacred Geometry 1 class. It is a 101 foundational training on the latest cutting edge technology and science of water consciousness and geometrical patterns, like how the mind of God or the mind of consciousness or source literally speaks through geometry, and how you can take this geometry and change the energy in your space, in your home. So we learn the basics of how crystals work, how they're used in cell phone technology, Wi-Fi technology, how they can be used to change electrical magnetic fields within your space so that you can eliminate dirty electricity or highly interruptive energy from cell phone towers, being near airports, of just being by an outlet, an electrical outlet. And if you don't have anything there to change the shape of or the frequencies or the sine wave patterns of energy that's exiting these outlets, it can create havoc on your body. So this class is all about understanding that your body is mostly water and that water is shaped by vibration and by light waves. So you can take very specific geometric patterns as well as essences or characteristics from crystals and apply those two together to manifest intentions that you have in your home, clean up the energy fields, have more peace and harmony, be more able to dream and remember your dreams, and have just a clear vibrational field in around you. And it does tremendous things, not only for your plants that you grow in your home, or if you're growing your own food, but creating protection, creating amplification, creating purification. There's all kinds of intentions that you can use and take geometry as a language. So whatever your intention is, that's the language. And then you match it with a specific geometric form. So that's what this class is about. Following that, we have a free online workshop. It's actually a master class that we're doing on understanding the nervous system and how the nervous system works through emotions. Emotions are the universal language of your autonomic nervous system. And if you can understand the foundations of compassionate communication and regular language that we use right now, how you can biohack your nervous system to integrate trauma, to regulate overwhelming states, to bring down any anxiety that you have, bring on more balanced, joyful, even-keeled states of being in your body. Even though we live in a high-paced, stressful life, this is a 101 on getting to the root of how to heal. And then this is an introductory masterclass for those who want to attend a deeper dive, a 6-class workshop series that's starting right after the week after in April. So if you want to join that, that's accessible to you. And lastly, we have at the end of April, just a simple, it's not simple, it's actually pretty profound, but it's a meditation type of class on astral travel, how to project your consciousness out there into the galactic realms, into other dimensions of consciousness, how to tap that information, bring it back into your body, apply it into your life in order to meet whatever intention that you have, whether it's dream recall, more stability, understanding and integrating epigenetic information from your ancestry. There's a lot of cool information that you get from the astral travel, which is moving your light body safely in and around the universe. So those are the workshops that we have coming up available to you. So I really do hope that you are able to join some of these, even if it's remotely online or listening to a recording. If you're interested, just go to the webpage that we've linked here in the email that you can sign up to any of these, just expressing interest through our inquiry form.